count out 12 Smarties. Divide the Smarties into 4 equal groups. How many Smarties are in each group? The first thing that I'm going to do, boys and girls, is I'm going to count out my 12 Smarties. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It says divide the Smarties into 4 equal groups. So Miss Noble's going to make her 4 equal groups. It's going to be for my first group. It's going to be for my second group. It's going to represent my third group. And then I'm going to have one more right here for my fourth group. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be my groups. And then we just divvy up the rest of our Smarties until they are equally dispersed. One at a time, place your Smarties in the group. How many Smarties are in each group? 1, 2, 3. Let's go to your answer and type 3. Boys and girls, don't forget, this kind of looks like an array. So if we have 4 equal groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's 3 in each group, that's going to be 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3. 1, 2, 3. And 4 times 3 equals 12.